Lesson 6. What is an example of a local sustainable energy scheme? Practical Action promotes small-scale hydro schemes that generate up to 500 kilowatts of power. The micro hydropower station, which converts the energy of flowing water into electricity, provides poor communities in rural areas with an affordable, easy to maintain, and long-term solution to their energy needs. In the mountains of Mutare district of Zimbabwe lies a remote community called Himalaya, where Practical Action are implementing a 4-year energy project funded by the European Union. The area has abundant rivers which can be harnessed for irrigation, as well as generating hydropower. Farming forms the backbone of a community's economy, mainly through growing beans, wheat, maize, tomatoes, rearing cattle and goats. Powered irrigation will enable them to extend the amount of land to cultivate and generate an income from selling the extra produce. In addition, a cold storage facility at the energy centre will keep produce fresh so that it is in better condition to fetch a good price at the market. The community has 2 cooperatives. One is taking advantage of the plentiful supply of wood in the area to make fencing and electricity poles, and the other implementing an irrigation scheme. They are also building a powered business centre. Micro hydropower is a small-scale harnessing of energy from falling water such as steep mountain rivers. Using this renewable, indigenous, non-polluting resource, micro hydro plants can generate power for homes, schools and hospitals, as well as workshops. Practical Action have developed micro hydro schemes with communities in Peru, Zimbabwe, Sri Lanka and Kenya. These systems, which are designed to operate for a minimum of 20 years, are usually run-of-the-river systems. Costs vary from approximately £1,200 to £4,000 per installed kilowatt when using appropriate technologies, which are much cheaper than conventional approaches and technologies. Micro hydropower can also be supplied to villages via portable rechargeable batteries. People can use these convenient sources of electricity to fuel anything from workshop machines to domestic lighting, and there is no expensive connection costs. The batteries are charged at the station in the village, thus providing the local community with clean, renewable source of power. For industrial use, the output from the turbine shaft can be used directly as a mechanical power, as opposed to converting it into electricity via a generator or batteries. This is suitable for agro-processing activities such as milling, oil extraction and carpentry. Micro hydro schemes are owned and operated by the communities they serve, with any maintenance carried out by the skilled members of that community. So they provide employment in themselves, as well as providing the power to re-energize the entire communities.